Stakeholders are any and all people who have an interest in something and are crucial to its success. In the context of training and development, that something is training or development. Here are a few examples of key stakeholders and the outcomes they help us address. Top leaders need to know their companies and industries really well enough to be able to anticipate training needs and then align those needs with the business strategy. Their job is to ensure that training and development provides a return on the company's investment. If a company invests several $100,000 in a training program, the idea is that training program provides a return of at least several $100,000 and then some. Mid-level managers are often the ones who decide how much money to devote to training in their unit or department, and they decide who and what to train. Trainers, instructional designers, and sometimes entry-level managers are responsible for aligning individual training programs with the overall business strategy. They decide whether training should be developed in-house or outsourced. They decide what training content to focus on, what methods to use to deliver the content, and they are responsible for assessing the level of support that exists in the trainee's work environment. Once the trainees leave the training situation, what is the environment like, and how can transfer of training be supported? Employees are primarily responsible for getting ready for training, for preparing for training, by assessing their own training needs and their readiness to learn. Subject matter experts, SMEs, know a lot about a specific topic or job, and they can more easily identify training needs because they are experts. They are especially important when we do not have a lot of information, when we are not well versed in the topic or the job.